There's Pup. There's Ella on the rug. Kai Kai's laying down to eat. Sort of like getting breakfast in bed, I imagine. Hey, Pup. Lucy. She's so cute. Yeah. She's watching Kai eat until I came out here. Hi, Elle. Ella. Ella. Yeah. Say hi, Michaela. Say hi, Michaela. Lucy. Say hi. Ella says hi. What do you say, Kai? What do you say? Huh? Oh, yeah. Okay. Alright. See you later. Bye. Got her skinny legs where they put the IVs in. Okay, bye.